Good day everyone. We're from Lima Feed Machinery, a professional feed machinery manufacturer.
Hi everyone, this is Gatsby from Lima Company in Ghana here.
Hi everyone, my name is Gideon. I'm from Lima Company in Ghana.
Oh my God, this is Bill, and we are in Nigeria right now. As you can see, this is our engineer who come into installation, to come to installate a new project in Nigeria.
In this Christmas season, we are pleased to introduce a special promotion for our global customers.
Please order for Feed Machinery can enjoy very special Christmas gifts.
Please contact us today to discuss your project requirements and pricing details.
And as the holiday is coming, we want to say Happy Christmas and New Year to all our video partners and friends.
By representing Lima Company here in Ghana. So, me Gatsby with all my colleagues here. So, we wish you guys
a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Happy New Year and Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas and